Welcome back. The other day, I went to go get my tires changed. While I was there, I asked the attendant if they had any used wiper blades that they would be willing to give me. So he went and dug around in the back and came back out, and he gave me uh, two wiper blades. I was able to get four inserts out of it like this. This is the smaller blade, and then I do have a two other longer blades that I plan on using. But I teased in a short video that I went ahead and cut this apart, and I got three sections out of it. Essentially, enough to make three different picks. Um, You notice that I sanded all of the coating off of this one, and I only sanded half the coating off this one. This is the first one that I started with just to test it out. I've never made picks before, so I went ahead and decided to try my hand at it. And overall, I think it turned out pretty well. I wasn't necessarily designing a pick to use to open up regular locks. Um, I'm actually working currently on a Schleg Primus, and this is a cutaway here. And you notice down here at this portion right here, we have some side pins and a side bar. And the whole purpose that I was creating this for was so we'll look at the bottom of the lock now. These are the pins themselves that I need to go ahead and depress. So we slide that up in there and kind of use it like a flag pick. Get in there like that, and you can see that I am on top of one of the pins, and I'm able to depress the pins as I go through. In order to achieve this, I went ahead and kind of modeled it after just a short southward slimline, and you can see the difference between thicknesses on both of them. But what good is that if we don't test it out by opening a lock? I went ahead and did a rekey on a Defiant lock the other day, and they decided to swap out from this black core and black knob to a silver knob. So I went ahead and kept the core. Let's go ahead and give this a shot with our wiper pick that I made. We know that Defiant puts some security pins in there. So let's see what we got. 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, we're binding. 5, little bit of bind. Go ahead and push that up. I think we got that set now. 1, nothing. Go back through here. I think we overset 5. Let's go ahead and reset that. Let's go ahead and start from the back this time and see what 5's doing. There we go. One's now binding. Got a bit of a false set there. Got a spool and two at least, and we are open. Let's go ahead and do a quick disassembly of this. Once again, we went ahead and did this with the homemade wiper pick. Let's grab a pinning tray, a follower, and let's go ahead and get this clip off. Struggling with this one. All right, and we accidentally set it again. Let's take the clip off and then we'll go ahead and pop that out. All right, let's go ahead and take our follower. Not really worried about the key pins. Key pins are typically standard in this. Push that out. There's no indication on which way is the front or back, so what I like to do when that is like that, we will put an arrow to indicate the front. That way, when I push this back together, which I'll probably do off camera, I know that the front of the core goes right there. So we got a standard pin in one. Spool in two. Standard in three. Four, we have a spool. And four was what was binding first on us, so must have just been pushing it a little too hard to cause it to overset. And five, we got another standard. There is the disassembly of the Defiant lock with a picking from a wiper blade insert. I do plan on finishing this wiper blade insert off. I'm going to put a handle on it just because it's the first one that I've made. Thought it'd be kind of cool to continue on with the journey of making picks. So look forward to new videos pertaining to making picks with this. Like, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share it along with your friends. I'm really getting close to 25 subscribers. Once I hit that 25 mark, I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. So look forward to that as well. Thank you again for joining me today, and I will catch you in the next video.